الله. نحن دلوقتي في الشركة وأنا عايز محمد جيشار من الهند. هو حيتكلم معاكم عن التفاصيل اللي أنا ذكرت لكم جزء منها أمس، وإحنا هنصور الفيديو. بعد الفيديو أنتوا حتسألوا أي أسئلة أو تتكلموا عن أي شيء غالي رخيص، تشوف لنا حاجة غير كده. أي أسئلة عندكم يا محمد ودكتورة أنتوا فتشوا. أنا جاب طبعا معي الأستاذ وليد زميلي في المدرسة، جينا طوالي من المدرسة ولهنا. طبعا ده المكتب اللي هو المكتب اللي بيقعد فيه الزبون وبيشرحوا له شرحي عملي. طيب هو الآن حيبدأ معاكم الشرح. How are you, Mr. Muhammad Jishar?
Alhamdulillah, tamam.
From Hind.
My name is Muhammad Jishar.
It's India? From India?
Yeah, from India. And this company name is Almo.
Almo.
And we are 25 years in the market. Okay, so
MashaAllah.
we are doing all government, private schools and corporate offices in
Good.
UAE. And we have different branch in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and all GCC also.
MashaAllah.
And even the Bright Trader School also 5 years back we have completed our in their classroom solutions.
Okay. It's called Elmo, yes? Elmo.
Yeah, ALMOE. Almo.
Okay. طيب.
So thank you so much for this opportunity. Here I would like to brief you what is the best for classrooms. So your colleague Mr. Naji already familiar with the projector and whiteboard.
Yes.
Now projector and whiteboard still there, and the new advanced option projector only will be interactive also. So there are two options available there, but now there is a leading technology available, Spectron. We have our own company partnership distribution, and this solution we have. This is the LED panel. It's a very strong panel. The students cannot destroy easily. It's a protected glass, and there are 55, 65, 75.
ما في projector guys. ما في projector.
86.
Good.
Okay, different sizes available. So first of all, I just want to brief about this panel, and I will explain the difference between projector and this. Then you can have a decision whether you want projector or both. We have no problem, we are selling both. By the way, your colleague came here and I just show the solution. So now we have installed this interactive panel, which is a strong panel, and there are two options for you now. You have an interactive panel with PC or without PC. You can have, for example, if you open this, you have different connectivity. You can connect different PC from outside, HDMI 1, 2, 3 and VGA. You can connect different, also AV connection and DP. And this whole panel wireless. You can have a wireless, and also there is a software called Share Pro. This Share Pro you can integrate with the computer. At a time 4 people can integrate. Also this panel can be wireless also. So this is the main idea, and this is continuously interactive. So now I am not connected any PC here, but if the teacher come, I can start writing, because I can writing on the panel itself. See, I can directly writing. For example, if I connect PC also, I can directly interact. So just close this now. So here you can see there are settings, note, input and browser. So if I connect internet, it will go directly to the browser. If we input, there is a different input like this. This is same input. And if I go for note, so there is a note here. You can change the color, different color, any color here you can change. Okay, now you can start writing. So this writing you can just verbal
delete.
Yeah, so you don't want to select anything, just write. Multiple people, 20 text, and also
delete.
no need any this one.
Without program.
Okay, you will have a pen also. This pen, unfortunately, the pen is not here. But if you have a pen, this is a normal pen. You can use it.
Oh.
Okay, so it's an amazing solution, and plus all other features. You know, there are many features available. Different features available in the Windows also. So now, for example, if you have a now there is no PC. This is Android. So this is just a TV, but you can write and you can save. So this saving option, if you save, it will go to the internal storage. There is a small storage inside. Even there is no PC, but there is a small storage. Then you can store that here and save it. So here Android. This is an Android TV. Okay, this is an Android TV, and this TV will have another feature which is called one second. Whiteboard, and we have another. If you go to the settings, you have here. This is important for classroom. Spotlight. See, this is spotlight. Okay, so you can write something and ask to the student. So, for example, I write 1, 2, 3, and this is some answer maybe. So, if I use this one spotlight, I can ask where is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a kind of a solution. Okay, so and countdown. You can use countdown. So this is a number. You can start and you can give
Answer
and alarm and stop the thing. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just showing, and in detail I can, and stopwatch. And one more thing.
It's timer.
Timer. And one more thing. This is called. This is not here. Not right now. I'm not downloaded. But this is called. See, now internet is not connected. That's why. This is what is the name is. Air class. Air class means once the teacher complete the class, if they put air class, and there is a barcode will appear here. Barcode. Okay. The barcode appear if you take the picture from the barcode, and it will connect to your this thing. So it's like a voting system. It's a free also.
Yes.
So now it is not there because it's not connected to the internet.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the basic solution without PC. This is just a TV giving you the all information. Now, if you go to the PC, okay. If you go to the if you go to the PC, so I can. We have two options for PC. One is you can connect the PC here, okay, which is there is a slot behind, okay, PC slot.
Can we see?
Yeah, you can see here. It's a PC slot, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so it's a simple plug and play, or you can connect external PC, like with your laptop. So it will show there. So HDMI. Maybe I don't know which HDMI connector. Yeah, it's okay. Just
before it connect.
Yeah, it is connected. Yeah. So PC you can connect here and you can also play with it. Now I didn't connect the USB. That's
Yes.
why the interactivity not there. But you can use your tools here also on top of this. See?
Oh.
On top of this.
Oh.
For example, if the website, if you go to the website, you can
Uh-huh.
also play with this,
Yes.
and you can just copy paste in the website and you can save it.
Mm.
Yeah,
Good.
that is possible. Okay, now let me remove the TV. So this is the main points. Okay, one PC or external PC, external PC or internal PC, and a remote option. Now Android. If you go to Android, it's back to that. Okay. Now I'm going to the next page. See, now I have 2 pages,
2 which?
3 pages, 4 pages. Sorry, plus 4, 5.
5 5 correct 5.
Okay. Okay, 46. So it will go one by one.
Mhm.
Okay. So now 6 pages. I
6
have.
pages, yes.
Yeah. So any pages, all pages will appear here.
Yes.
So, okay. Then you can delete one by one, or you can save it. Okay.
Same PowerPoint.
And same PowerPoint.
Yes.
See, the another beauty, you have a PC here. You don't have anything. All Windows.
What PC? You can't tell me.
Windows PC, i7, i5, it's up to you.
Yes.
If you say i7, I can give you i7. If you are i5, I can give you. So once it's done, if you, for example, you have a PowerPoint presentation.
Yes.
So you come and there are 3 USB ports here. One, two, three.
Oh.
3 USB port in front of this.
Yes. 3.
Okay. So
3 and 3.
3. So it is not behind, because teachers want to come and play directly. Okay.
Okay.
So it is clear. And now let me just compare what is projector and what is the difference. Okay, this is the last comparison for you. Now, normal classroom, we have interactive board. Okay, then a projector. I'm not good in drawing, but this is a typical style. Okay. Now, there are 2 kind of projectors. One, we can fix the projector here, okay, or here. 2 kind of
yes,
projectors.
yes, yes.
One short throw and
Yes,
one
yes.
long throw. Okay.
Yes.
Now, if you go for this projector starting price is only 1,300.
Okay.
Very basic projector.
Okay.
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 Very basic projector, and up to 4,000. This projector, ceiling projector. Okay.
Yes.
We fix the projector there, and we will show them. And interactive board price now it is less. Okay. Now it is starting from 3,500. Interactive projector.
Yes.
So if it's a very basic solution, 3,500 plus 1,300 plus maybe your fixing charge. Okay, so maybe 5, 4, only 4,500. Okay, 5,000 for the very basic system. But this long throw and very basic system nobody using now. For your information, I'm telling you the information. Yeah, this is up to you to choose which one. Now, if you go to the next page, okay,
Change this background.
yeah. I think you like green.
Yes.
I also fan of green.
That's good. That's good. Yes.
Okay, so now the next solution is short throw. Board here and short throw projector on top. So this projector is minimum we have to have 3,000 lumens, 3,500 lumens. So it is coming around 4,000 dirhams. 4,000 dirham. minimum.
4,000. Yes.
It may be less, you know.
What different by this projector and next projector?
The
Last
pro-
projector.
That is far and this is close. That is there and this is here.
Yes. Yes.
This is the difference.
Yes.
So here will be 3,500 plus or 4,000 or 3,500 plus interactive board. So it's almost 7,500 altogether.
This together.
Altogether.
Mhm.
Okay.
Screen and projector.
Screen and projector. A short throw. Okay.
Mm.
Now the new technology, which is projector with the interactive. This board, no electronic board. It's a normal board. Okay. And projector is interactive. So this projector is will have the interactive tool.
Mm.
So this board is normal board. Anywhere it is become interactive. Okay.
Okay.
So that solution will be around 8,500. Okay. Now the this is all a rough price. Maybe the quantity and all, you know, we will discuss. Okay. Now panel. This is 65 inch. 65. Ideally, we are fixing the classroom 65 inches, no problem. 100% perfect for classroom. 65 inch
Mm.
up to 35 students, no problem.
Mm.
Okay.
Cool.
If you have a 40, 50, 60, then it has to be 75 or 86.
Large.
Oh, touch. Then this price I can offer you now 6,500. Okay. And if you want
This without projector, without
nothing, only
screen, anything inside.
No, it is with Android. If you want, okay, just leave this. I'll say 6,000 plus 2,400 for PC. If you want.
Yes.
If you don't want, you have a laptop. No need.
Ah.
If you have a laptop already, no need this.
Okay.
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 If you have all PC, computer, everything, it will come this. Okay.
Yes.
For 8,400
Yes.
all together. If it is remove PC, it will be 6,000.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the price difference. And also, I will remove this maybe.
Yeah, you can.
Just
You
to
can.
say-
You can. Yes, that's good.
See my
That's
face.
good.
Okay. So if you look at your budget, and if you have a budget, I can make a plan for you. For example, if your school is saying that this is my budget, I would need a good solution, I will work a good solution to you. I don't mind you take this or projector or board, I don't mind. But as per your budget, inshallah, I can make a proposal. Then you choose.
Very good.
Okay?
Good.
Thank you so much.
طيب, how you
Any
help?
questions?
How you help us? This 6,500.
Yeah.
6,500.
Okay.
How you help us? We need less than this. We
See,
need discount.
actually, yeah. See, this 6,000 is if you go for only TV, right? Only the panel with the all software. See, I can give you all the software free, license everything, ultimate, not 1 year, 2 year. It is lifetime.
Lifetime.
No, because somebody will say, see, the 4 people come and there is a number will pop up here. 4 number will pop up. Then you click the number and your device will display here. So this is 4. This software also I can give you free of cost. Okay, and 6,500 maybe as per special request I can reduce. Anyway, I can guarantee you now 6,000, but 6,000 also I will work it out. I will talk to the manager and reduce. No problem.
طيب, okay.
Yeah.
طيب, how we can buy used this new? You have new old, yes?
Yeah.
You have used
Which one?
used
Again.
used
Used one? No. We have
only new.
Only new. We cannot use used one because this is a huge demand. We don't have even stock. It's back to back. Because
Yes,
now
yes.
every stock will available.
Yes.
But don't worry about the price. See, what I would say, you tell me the requirement. Okay, I need this. I have this money. You work. So I will tell you then what suitable for you, because even the long throw projector and the normal whiteboard, which is cheap. But if you buy this TV, I can give you 5-year warranty. 5
Warranty.
year. This is a 50,000 hours life. Like 50,000. So if you calculate 50,000, it is more than 5 years. Nobody will use 24 hours.
Good.
Right?
Okay.
So this is more than 5 year, of course, because it's a 50,000 hours life.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad.
Okay.
Now we send this video to my friend,
Yeah.
and he inshallah ask you some
You
questions.
fix what you want, projector or board, this or ultra short throw projector.
Oh, good.
Then we will work. from
طيب, on size of screen,
Yeah, there are this.
maybe he need 40
No.
ticks.
The size is now starting. Earlier it is starting from 55.
55.
Now most using is 65. This is the size.
Good.
And 75, 86.
طيب, very good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Thank you
so
very much.
Thank you.